Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server. Nice and quick to not waste any of your valuable time. So, first thing you want to do obviously is make a folder. I just called mine Minecraft server tutorial. And then the next thing you want is, you'll probably need to download this Java JDK or else it reads at you. I did the 64 installer since I'm on Windows. And then once you got that downloaded in the setup, which really isn't anything, you just download it and that's it, you're good on the installer. After that, you can download, I do paper, and I had to click the thing here to get the current version. It should be fine. They've done this for a million years, shouldn't have any issues. And then once it's downloaded, the next thing you want to do is open your Minecraft server folder and your downloads. And that's your paper. And then I usually rename it just to make my life a little easier. I just get rid of the numbers. Ta-da! And then the next thing you need is a text document. Doesn't matter what it's called. You head in there and you slap in this handy dandy code, which is actually something from one of my old servers, so it's a spigot, but I'll change it to paper. Basically, this is how much RAM it gets, and this is the name of the file. And that's all you need. Now, the important part is you save as, not save. And then you change it to all files, and then the name itself doesn't matter, so I just usually do run, and then this is the important part, you do .bat to turn it into a batch file. And then as you'll see here, and you have a new file now, so you can get rid of the old just text document. And then all you have to do is double click this to run it. And now you just let it do its thing. It'll scream at you about a couple things like, oh my god, everything's missing. But that's normal. Yeah, see, look, it's like, oh my god, what's going on? It'll figure it out. It'll make you agree to the EULA, so it'll stop itself, so you just have to give it a minute. There it is. And then you can just close it. Yes, it's done, man. And then you have to go in here to just change this to true. Save it, and then you can run it again, and then it'll keep screaming about some shit, but don't worry about that. It might be different for you. It might just be mad at me about something, but it'll ignore it. It'll be fine. It'll probably do the firewall thing where it asks you to do shit. Yes, allow access. Usually it doesn't show this part, it usually just shows this. But things have changed over time. Okay, and now it's up. The only thing you have to do now to actually make it so people can rejoin. I guess you have to do it over there now. It's weird, it used to just be here, but now it does both, I guess, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, but this is what your server should look like once you're done. Now you got your worlds, you got your plugins folder, which I'll do tutorials show how to do it. Now you would have to port forward, which I can't show you because I have Xfinity and they make you do it through the one of the apps, which is annoying. Yeah, so that sucks. You're gonna have to find another video for port forwarding, like I said, because I can't show you it unless I make a separate tutorial later, but that'll be another thing, so you'd have to find someone else's tutorial on port forwarding. It's wicked easy, but for now I'm just going to show you how to be able to connect to your own server. So let me switch back over and show you what to do. Alright, so now that you have your Minecraft server set up, and hopefully you figured out port forwarding, but now to figure out where your server is, you could type in what's my IP.org is what I usually do. and you do this. This is your local IP, not your computer's actual IP. So you can grab this, and this is what you'd give to other people as well. Yeah. And if you added a different port, let me show you in Minecraft. So you would usually, you know, direct connect or whatever. You would do this, and if your default port 25565 is open, you could just do this and join. I shouldn't be able to because I have Xfinity and I'd have to report for it myself, which means I have to download the app, so it won't work for me, but it should for you. But if you did a different port, you'd have to do this and say you have 25566. Then that's how you would join, and that's how other people would join to your server as well. But for me, since I can't port forward because of the stupid Xfinity app, to join my server, I would have to do this, which is like how to join to your own computer. If I do this, there we go. Boom, my own server. Alright, I got a kit tools. So here, this is the server we just set up. Lagging for me because I'm loading in the chunks for the first time, but fine after a minute. Let's see. But yeah, that's how you make your own Minecraft server. Hopefully it helped you out. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Hopefully you figured out port forwarding easily. Thanks for watching, people. I'll see you the next time when I teach you how to do plugins and how to add permissions for those plugins. See you next time.